Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 6. Neither does the sun shine there, nor the moon, nor fire, to which having gone they return not. That is my supreme abode.
Chapter 15, Shloka 6. न धद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम.
Chapter 15, Shloka 6. The goal is again clearly specified. The absolute state, the glorious state of perfection, is the goal which is pointed throughout Gita in terms of the finite phenomena the physical eyes can see in the light of the sun, moon, or fire. To see a thing is to know a thing. Three things are required to know an object: the object, the sense organ, and light. Without light, even if the object is present and the eye healthy, there can be no knowledge. We also perceive our thoughts, feelings, and ideas. The light in which we perceive these is the light of consciousness, by which alone we are aware of our experiences. The light of consciousness cannot be illumined by the gross sources of light available in the world outside, such as the sun, the moon, or the fire. In fact, the very light of the sun or the moon or the fire is an object of our consciousness. We are continuously conscious of it. The object of perception cannot illumine the subject that perceives it. The subject and the object cannot be at any time the same. The awareness by which we come to experience all our life's joys and sorrows is the eternal self, and to realize that consciousness is indicated as the supreme goal. This state of consciousness into which we can rise through transcending the agitations of the mind and intellect is described as the abode of the divine, the dwelling place supreme, the truth. Once having discovered the knowledge perfect, it is impossible to come back and fall into the earlier confusions which are created by ignorance. For without a cause, there cannot be an effect. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.